Terima kasih. Today's the weekend. It's the traffic people, obviously. Oh, everyone becoming town, yeah. The usual traffic. Let's see where is the Harry. Harry is here at Tong Square.
50% aku ada.
Hey you.
Tak ada Tefa je.
Berapa boleh dapat dengan R dengan komen? 1,000. Alah, kasih kurang lah diskaun. Mash.
Ni orang bagi R lah. Sekali lah. Hijau naga. Hijau.
Ya.
Oh, yeah, I thought we go phone see Shami new phone. No need. How dare he don't bring me his new phone.
Simpan dulu ni.
Boleh. Kat mana kan?
Ke kau ada plastik apa? Apa kau bawa beg?
Kerja lah.
Kami.
Not like you. Evil.
Kau ingat bawa benda lain. Jangan sampai aku tu bawa balik.
Kau tu bawa balik tak apa. Nanti jumpa kat tournament.
Itu lah.
So same thing. Lain lah aku yang bawa balik.
Itu memang takkan dapat lah.
Kau masuk sikit. Fahrenheit.
Fahrenheit ya. Okay.
Masuk mana? Jom, let's go. Do you know the jalan? Oh no. Harry no.
No, don't know.
What don't know? You go there yesterday. You told me you go yesterday. Oh, rengai. Yeah, I know hujan. That's why I say stop. Please stop the rain. So now we're on the way to Asif. Best place. Let's go. Do you think there will be people at our favorite place? Do you think there will be a people? A lot of
No.
people. Wow. The guy indeed confident. It's Sunday, bro. But yeah, Sunday usually apa?
No people.
Yeah, because tomorrow people work.
Mana ada. Sini orang semua balik kampung.
So we don't need to see menu. We just go inside. Yes. Hi. This one can? Okay. Tempat biasa, tempat seat, tempat biasa. Our usual place.
Our usual place.
Yeah, our usual
We
spot.
only left one people here.
Yes. Back. No sir. I'm fine, thank you.
No kan? Check. Tak ada. Check to damage.
Nani kore? Energy counter. I have no idea what that does. And I don't need to know. I don't need to know. Yeah, full counter.
Tak ada first gear. Ini dulu. Retire dua. Tak yang satu je. Retire dua.
Kau nak revive moon.
Boleh.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, pesona tu. Sini draw. Tag ni dulu.
So we're still ongoing. Another 10 minutes.
38, 48. 48.
Tak ada apa-apa dah. Okay.
48 tambah lagi 13.
Heal. So, aku technically aku win.
Okay.
Sorry ajak.
73 dah, ya.
Thank you, sir.
Sama kan tadi kalau aku ada PG satu kat tangan. Satu lagi tak cukup. Tapi kalau aku dapat satu damage,
Heal.
aku heal. So kira aku menang lah.
Yalah. Aku pun tak ada. Tak ada.
No Harry. Jatuh mana? Oh, baik. Boleh eh? Ada elok. Saya save. Okay. This is beef. Kofta.
Thank you. This is body.
This is the kebab. Okay, we can share.
Share.
Share this.
All personal.
Yeah, all personal.
Nak ambil sikit boleh je. Tak ada isu pun. Tengoknya.
Chicken handi ya. Okay.
Ini yang kau punya chicken mandi.
Yeah, chicken handi. Okay.
Tak ada level.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Can you take away with photo, sir? Lama ke? Dia ada letak dulu dia tu. Tray. Yes, this is set. No one touch. We can't eat for today. Prawn, chicken, beef.
Beef.
Yes.
You got beef.
We got beef, chicken, prawn. Now
Jadi
this
tak ada
one is
sky.
takeaway. Yes. What?
Ada.
This sky. Yes. Saying you sky.
Dia lemak. Kita boleh masuk spring.
Ini ya. Okay. So tolak RM3, 3 something kan?
Kau buka lah calculator.
Oh.
150.
Wow, not bad. Amazing. Right, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go, let's go.
This
Third
is the
time.
This is the third years.
Yeah, we try do this, yes.
So we try to do this until one of us die.
When I was dying, I was on deep. When I was dying, oh, go far away.
Until one of us, because no matter where Syamil kat overseas ke apa, at least in 30 day, one day must be here.
He must be come here. Whatever happens,
Even kalau dah beranak pun anak tinggalkan.
you got the man Sam, yeah. I think we are destined to be single, I suppose. Or you have a marriage, Mr. Harry? Not in the mind at the moment, huh?
Not at the moment.
Not at the moment, yeah, same.
But remember, this arrangement is until the end of life.
Wow, sugoi desu.
Until end of life, tak ada tu.
Yes. What happens? We will go here, guys. We try to maintain the streak. Yeah, let's go.
Why you don't another person?
Another person? Oh, there's one person actually, but he can't attend. Unfortunate. Yeah.
Bukan apa. Ni. Suruh Mat datang.
Datang waktu kita tournament
Yalah, nangis.
Tak kira dah habis dah satu 1 year punya ni.
Oh, aduh, next year. Ha?
Tournament tu aku rasa kita akan mampu.
Kau tournament jadi apa? Drag you. Lama tournament tu? Satu hari eh?
Lama-lama one day.
Sempat je ke kau makan ke tak sempat? Tak tengok gak keadaan.
Tak sempat. Sebab
Oh.
dia daripada pagi tengah hari sampai malam.
Tapi tak boleh lama sangat. Bukan dia duduk lama sini.
Ayolah, memang dia pun kena kejar flight tu semua.
Dia kejar ni. Yes.
Oh, ETS.
Oh ya, aku balik naik.
Alright, thank you so much, Harry. See you when I see you. Thank you for coming.
Tunggu next year.
You don't want to see, ah? Alright, see you. Hey. Right, show me the car. Show me the car lah. Show me the thing.
Come. Show you.
Yes. Yeah, show me first.
Pause dulu. Jauh lagi.
Oh, jangan lagi. Hi. What is going to show me? Oh, yes, that's one thing, bro. 100 something. Whoa, what the? Book. Oh, it's one thing first. Okay, you're gonna unboxing, guys. We unboxing. Oh, wow. Syamil become earbud. Of course, he's not gonna use that.
This is freebie
Freebies.
from my
The real stuff. Oh, 50 Pro Plus. Redmi Note. Sugoi.
Later you search online. The color blue.
Oh, blue color. I see.
Dia
Okay.
ada 3 color. Black, brown dengan blue.
Bleh. Normal black brown.
Brown ada. Brown tu lain. Brown leather.
Oh, leather. Damn. Wow. Oh, asal kau nak play brown lah? I
Leather
don't.
kot.
Memang lah.
Backside.
Oh, belakang dia leather.
Leather.
Macam mana yang dompet kau tahu lah kan? Ya, tahu. Leather.
Now, the
Second
second thing.
thing. Not. Oh, it's a fan.
No lah.
It's not fan.
Kita try.
Okay. Oh, 400 bro.
Mana kau tahu? Oh yeah.
There's a price tag. There's a price tag.
No lah. Dapat promosi.
Oh, there's a promo price. Let me guess, 349?
Atas tu.
Oh, just a bit discount lah.
Ya.
I see. No freaking way, mate. Are you gonna blow my face?
Tak boleh.
You better not blow my face. You better not blow my face. Yeah, this one definitely more stronger than the one that in my store. Even in my store.
Cuba dulu rasa.
No, don't blow my face. Oh shit. Yeah, sini stronger. Yeah, I hate to admit, way stronger. Okay, just blow my face with that.
Ya.
Yeah. Yeah, worth the money. Just, tapi kena cleaning gak kan. Kau kena bersih gak kan dalam dia kan. Yelah dah apa, asap terkumpul. But yeah, sad thing. This one thing can't do. You know what it can't do?
What?
Push your bay from down DTC.
Who say cannot?
Who say cannot? Agak-agak masih ada ke Hellhammer?
Ada.
Ada ni eh? Will you rescue it?
No.
No, he gave up already to rescue them. The Hellhammer.
We buy a new one.
Wow, my new one. Sugoi desu. So I guess that's all if he wanted to showcase.
Yeah.
No comment ah? No comment lah. Oh,
Take picture.
take picture.
Betul.
Oh, this colour.
Ha.
Nampak cantik ah leather ni daripada apa? Warna biru ni. Okay, not bad, not bad. So that's two things he buy. No, three. Card, the fan and phone.
Lebih.
Oh, tu dengan brush apa? Kipas eh?
Yeah.
For cleaning, yes. You better clean ah. You don't use like so high on your PC. Tiba.
I want to clean my floor.
What floor?
Rumah floor.
Oh, yes, that's good. Alright, so that's it. Alright, thank you so much for the invitation. Yeah, see you when I see you.
See you when?
See you when? Demon Slayer. Screen X. Tak tengok Screen X lagi kan?
Kau nak tengok.
Yelah, nanti aku ajak kalau ada. Okay, right, see you. Bawa lelok kita. Assalamualaikum.